So hi guys, this is Remy's Furniture Warehouse. We're doing another walkthrough of our warehouse to show you what we have for this weekend. So first off, we wanted to show you some of our new items that we have in stock. They're mostly farmhouse decor. So as you can see, we have some things. Hi Mary. Okay. So we have like this two-tiered little tray. Then we have like basket that hangs on the wall. Let's see. Another two-tiered. Let's see, we got some caddies. Some pictures. So we got wall hooks. Some more garden, some frog and lily, bird baths, little votive candles. Let's see. Once again, some more outdoor decor for the birds. Let's see. Yeah, so if anybody wants any of this, we can hold it till tomorrow. We do open at 10, but if you let me know, if you private message me, private message the store, Remy's Furniture, then we can hold it for you for tomorrow. Aaron, which black two-tier? This one? The oval one? This one is $25.
And there's two of those.
Yeah, we have two of those. And then we have just regular metal ones. Let's see. So we have, this is a new table that we have out. It's $2.95. I don't know if you can see it. So it has 3 extensions. There's only one in right now. So it's actually 11 feet long. Let's see. And then this rug, I had meant to get the size. Do you know, is this a 10 by 14? This rug's $195, by the way. Does it say?
8, 10 by 12.
Okay, it's 8, 10 by 12. That large witch table. Kate, are you talking about this table that has all the items? Actually, everything you see in here, yes, it's for sale. So even if we're using it for decoration. So this one is $225 that's on, and then this table, I'm not sure if you were talking about this table, is $295. Okay, so over here we have a sideboard for $550. Let's see, we have another two-tiered. This one's a little bit bigger. Okay, we have a couple benches that came in. So we have 2 of these benches. They're $245. Once again, we have little boho canisters. We have little caddies. Over here, we marked down this blue couch for $295. I believe, yeah, $295. And then we have this little side table, coffee table for $75. This one that Sophia's sitting on, we have this for this couch. It's hidden by the mirrors, but it's $195. Let's see. So I'm going to bring you to the back. So I guess we can start over here. We have these desks over here, just standard desks. Those are $75 each. This is a new table that we have out this week. We have that for $295. It has 2 drawers on each side. Kate, we do not have any sleeper sofas right now. Okay. And then we have the painted bench. Here's the unfinished bench. So over here, that file cabinet that we have right here with the USB ports, it's been marked down to $295. These 2 lane chairs, they're brand new. Those both pull out, recliners. This couch, we marked down to $225. There's a little mark on it, but that is $225. Then this round table, this Kelly Clarkson round table, has been marked down to $325. Then something new, we have this king upholstered bed. And then also we have a king mattress. So the mattress is $500 and then the bed is $395. The rug underneath it is $175. It's a 10 by 14. And then over here we have this dresser that has been marked down to $295. It's 9-drawer. Okay, we have this chase lounge that we marked down to $275. Let's see, we have this corner cabinet for $250. Just marked it down. This recliner is $195. Let's see. We have this little white coffee table, and then this rug is also, I believe, a 10 by 14. That's $195. Okay, so here we have a Fireplace TV stand. It does work. We just marked it down to $395. It has a little bit of damage on the top over here, but other than that, it works perfect. Let's see. Okay, so something new, we have this air hockey table. So this air hockey table, it works. The kids were just playing on it. It has a hole right there, but it actually does not impact playing it. So you could come try it out if you want, but the kids were just playing on it and it works perfectly fine. So that's $250. Let's see. This counter height table for $395. Also back here, which you can't really see, those are legs to a pool table, a billiard table. It's 8 feet long. So we have all the pieces except for the slate that goes on top. So if you're interested in a pool table, we do have that. Here's a new glass table that we have out for $450. Right here, we had this table and chairs on last week. We dropped the price to $1,100. Here's a black velvet sectional for $550. Our lane chair that we have, we marked down to, let's see, $275. We have this blue couch for $250. This table was just marked down to $100. It actually, the sides pull out. So both sides pull out, so that's kind of neat. Here's a lot of our unfinished furniture. So we have benches, tables, desks, vanities. Let's see. Okay, so this table we marked down, it's a faux marble top table for $175. And then we have the farmhouse table and chairs for $525. Matching hutch for $450. Let's see. Here we have a bar height table. It's kind of a gray color. It's $275. There we go. Let's see. And then right here we have another king bed for $395. We do have all the pieces. Here's the faux white leather couch for $275. And then we have these glass coffee table and 2 end tables that we just marked down to $295 for the set. Here's a partial sectional that we have. It's a black velvet. So we have that for $100. It's missing obviously the other section of the sectional, but easily with like a table, you can put something there. Here's a barrel chair. We marked down to $195. It's a velvet material. Let's see. Then we have this long table. I don't know exactly how long it is. For $750, it retails for $2,700. We have this sideboard back here. You walk by and I'll get a price. $275. Here's a gray couch for $250. Then we have this little table for $195. I think it's a chest. Yeah, it opens. For here we have the L-shaped desk that we just marked down to $295, and it comes with the small gray filing cabinet that's on top of it. Some more unfinished. We have this recliner. Let's see. This is a new table too, right here. That is $250. Is there anything that anybody wants to see or has questions on? Or anything that I missed? So once again, we'll be open this weekend, Saturday 10 to 2, Sunday 11 to 2. So on this live, if you like, share, and comment a friend's name, we'll enter you and your friend into a raffle for $50 credit each. So let's see. The gray recliner in the back. Okay, hold on, let me see. So, Cheryl, this one, that one's $395. So once again, like, share, and comment your friend's name. We'll enter you both in for $50 credits. Let's see. The round table, this round table, this one's $325. Is there anything? I'll go up front again. Show you everything up here. And once again, if you see something on the video that you want us to put a hold on, just let us know. We'll hold it through tomorrow, till 2 tomorrow, so you can come in and pick it up. Are there any more questions? Okay. So we'll see you this weekend. Bye.